How to set up a full screen photo on incoming calls on your Samsung or Android devices. Go ahead and open phone. Then you can select the number and then click on settings. Once you go to settings, you can see the option of settings on the top right hand side. Go ahead and click on the eye icon. Then click on more on the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Once you do this, you can see the option of edit call background. Go ahead and tap on edit call background once and then tap on background on the bottom. So once you do this, you can see there are a lot of videos. You can just go ahead and select any video you want, and then you can just go ahead and tap on set as call background. You will be getting this call background for this person. Now you can set up a whole screen photo as well. Go ahead and select a number, go to its settings, click on eye on the top right hand side, then click on more on the bottom right hand corner. Go ahead and click on edit call background, then tap on background on the bottom of your screen. You can see some photos and videos. Go ahead and select the photo or video you want to set as a home screen while calling. After that, select it and just go ahead and tap on set as call background. Now, as you can see, you will be getting a full screen photo on incoming calls on your Android device. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well.